Eli and I are going up to Breckenridge, and I'll crochet up there this whole week and hopefully get some really cool things done, because I brought some jeans that I want to alter to kind of make it fit me better. Hi guys, welcome if you're new. My name is Luda, aka Nitty Life, and today we're gonna do something really fun. So we have these jeans from Thailand. Yes, I went to Thailand and I bought these jeans at one of the markets. That was really fun. And they're too small for me. Like, it's mom's jeans. I love the color, I love the fit. Everything about it is, I love it, but it's just, it doesn't fit me anymore. So what I'm thinking, earlier this week on Instagram, I saw this lovely lady and she posted her jeans and she crocheted the sides of it. So kind of giving you more room to breathe and also, you know, extending it, making it a little bit bigger for yourself. And so I'm so excited. And so I was like, I need to do that. And I have two pairs of jeans that I brought with me that I want to alter. So today we're gonna do that. So let's see if I can do the same thing that this lovely lady did. And I hope I can. So today we're gonna use these pair of jeans and we're gonna use these two colors because we're gonna do checkered pattern. So kind of how I did my headbands. If you've seen that video, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's fun. You can make your own headbands. And so we're gonna use this forest green. It's kind of hard to see because it's like 11 p.m. And then this off-white color. And then we have our scissors and then to cut up the jeans, and then we have our hook and yarning needles. I don't know if this will work because I need a sharp needle, but we'll try it out. Anyway, let's get started. So first thing, I'm gonna cut my jeans and play around. I really hope this works. So let's get started. Step 1, cut your jeans and then cry. Let's do it. I mean, I was gonna get rid of them or sell them. So I was trying to find, oh, these actually are really good scissors. Oh my gosh. I already kind of like didn't do a good job, but I'm trying to follow the line as close as I can. Take my time. I'm just so excited. I'm rushing it. Oh wait, it rips. I should probably not do that. We did it, guys. I don't know. What is this? Okay. I completely can't wear this anymore. Okay, cool. So now we put them to the side because we don't need them right now. So then we're gonna get our hook. I'm gonna use my 3.5mm hook and we're gonna start working on our pattern. I'm gonna do 9 chains really quick. 1, 2, 9. I feel like 9 is a good. And then on the other side, maybe I'll do 12. Because we're doing it on both sides. So this is how much it's gonna kind of increase. I mean, let's start with that. That's not bad. And then we're just gonna go back. We're gonna do single crochet 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna take our other yarn and do 3 in that and then alternate. And do that for 2 rows and then alternate again. So let me do that really quick. I'm gonna pass forward, put some lo-fi in. And then I'll get back to you, see if this works. I'm a little nervous, but hopefully.
12 seconds later.
So this is what it looks like so far. So, sorry the lighting is not the best, but it's just the dark forest green and the off-white. And we're just gonna continue doing that all the way until we have the length of our jeans. And then we're gonna sew it to the sides. So, we'll see. So I'm gonna pop on my couch, watch something on TV, and then I'll just come back and let's attach it together and hopefully it's good. Yay! Finally, Love on Spectrum Season 2 is out on Netflix and I couldn't wait to start watching it. So I actually ended up finishing the whole show while I was crocheting these pants because it was so good.
That's what I thought it was.
So I just want to do a quick update. It's midnight and I'm getting pretty tired, but this is how far we've gone. So we're almost there, guys. It looks really good. I'm getting pretty tired, like I said, so I think I'm gonna go to bed and then I'll finish tomorrow. We have maybe like 1, 2, maybe like 10 more rows and then we'll be able to sew one side. And tomorrow will be better because we'll have better lighting so you can really see the colors of the yarn, so that'll be nice. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great night and stay tuned to see how this turns out. Okay guys, quick update. It's day 2 and I finished crocheting the whole, not a strap, the whole side. Yeah, side for the jeans. So now we're gonna cut off our yarn. So I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm going to cut off my yarn and sew it with my yarn needle on the inside of the jeans. So let me put the camera on the other side and kind of lower it, and then maybe put some lo-fi and pass it forward because it'll be faster. And then hopefully we'll see how it turned out. I'm a little nervous, but it looks good. So this is the color that I use now that it's better lighting. Doesn't it look good? It looks really good. Super happy how it's turning out. So let's go do that really quick and then see how it goes. During this long process, guys, don't forget to go outside, enjoy the nature, get some really good food, and just relax and take your time. No one's rushing you on completing your project. So really take your time and relax. Okay guys, I finished one side of the pants and I am super scared. So the way I attached it is differently, and I also did a different pattern than the lady on Instagram, but let's flip them over and try them on. Very clean finish, very nice. You can't even see my yarn needle. So let's go to my bedroom and try them on. I am super worried, but hopefully it works out. I don't know why I didn't measure my waist. Like, why didn't I do that? I just literally was like, I'm gonna do this much and I'm just gonna go for it. Like, what was I thinking? Okay guys, real quick look. So I have the jeans on. So let me back out and show you how it looks. What? It looks freaking awesome. It feels fine. Yeah, I love the look. I wish I had a long mirror so I can see it because I'm blind, so I can't really see that far. But yeah, and I still have like some room right here. So I'm definitely gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'm super excited. Yes. Cool. So I'm gonna take a little break and I'm gonna go and whip Eli's butt at ping pong.
That's not happening. Just so you guys know, I don't lose. Okay. I'm not gonna serve you anything high like that. You got in your head, dude.
No, you didn't. So I beat Eli at ping pong, and so he's getting me ice cream at this place in Brack, Hagel's Ice Cream.
That's not true.
So let's go get some ice cream, guys, and then come back and crochet. This place is so cute. So we just went to get our ice cream. It's so bomb. So I got lavender, honey lavender, and then Oreo. And then what'd you get?
I got orange coconut and then Nutella at the bottom.
When did ice cream become a hand lotion? Fucking millennials. Honestly, they're so boring. Okay, I'll take the popsicle.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today is our day 3, I want to say, of our jeans. So this weekend I've been procrastinating and just kind of been relaxing, catching up on some Netflix shows, and I haven't been crocheting too much of the jeans since I showed you the photo on my Instagram. So today I'm really hoping to finish it up. So we already finished one side. So we did an increase of 3.5 inches. And so what I did is I pretty much just cut down the middle. You know how you have this line going down? So I literally tried to cut as closely as I could, and then I put it upside down or inside out, and I used my yarn needle to stitch up the sides together to the jeans. It looked really good. I love how it turned out. It's a seamless, you can't really see. If you look at the lady that I tagged in who inspired me to do this in the first place, her pattern is different, but also one thing that I noticed, the way she attached it, she showed her yarn attaching to the outside, which looked really cool. So I kind of want to try something different, you know, so not too much copying. But yeah, so it turned out really good. So I did 66 rows total, and that's just my height. I would recommend you measure yours, obviously, because we're all different heights. So now let's continue working again. I'm gonna do this for 66 rows. So remember what I mean by rows, like this is actually 2 rows. Remember, we're doing it by 2, but I just counted this as 1 row. 1 cube is 1 row. 1, 2, 3, and that's the way I counted throughout the whole thing. So mine was 66. So I'm gonna go and start doing that again, listen some podcasts, and I'll come back when I am done and we're about to sew this. I'm so excited, guys. We're almost done with the jeans, so it's gonna be fun.
Much later.
Hi guys, so I just finished the 66 row of the other side of the jeans that we're gonna do. So now I'm just gonna be on the floor because I have way more room than being on the couch, and I'm gonna get my yarn needles out. And before we get started, make sure to leave a very long strand, like it's huge, because we're gonna go all the way on the side and then we're gonna go on top with that same strand and then go on the opposite side, and that'll last us the whole time. So get your scissors, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the side of the jeans. So this line right here, do you see go in the middle? I'm gonna cut as close as I can to it. I didn't do such a perfect job on this, but you can't even tell. It looks actually very good. So let me do that really quick, and then we'll start sewing in the side, which I'm so excited. So let's do that. So I accidentally made a hole in the pocket, so I gotta make sure to sew this up before I put anything in there, because then things will start falling out and that'd be bad. So be careful, take your time. So we just cut the whole side off. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on the wrong side. So we're gonna place our thing on the side, and then what we're gonna do is make sure you're working on the wrong side. So this is gonna be facing, I'm gonna lower the camera really quick. This is going to be facing the wrong side, and your pants are also gonna be facing the wrong side. So when you sew it this way, so we're gonna go wrong side and then wrong side on the inside. So when you flip it, it's gonna be the right side, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna grab our yarn needle and we're gonna start sewing. That's pretty much it, guys. So let's do that real quick, and then I'll meet you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, it's 3 o'clock and I finished the pants. So it looks pretty good on the outside. So we have both sides sewed in. So now I'm gonna go try it on really quick, and then my partner's coming home in an hour and a half. So then we'll go outside and maybe take some really nice pictures, and I'll do my finish, I guess, like show you how they look on me, style them with some boots or sneakers, and then yeah, I am a little nervous, so hopefully they fit, but we'll see. This was a fun process, so I'm definitely gonna make more jeans like this. So let me go change, and then we'll go outside and film the final look. Hey guys, this is the final look of the jeans. They look amazing, check it out. Gonna do a little swirl. I got plenty of room up in here. I actually made them a little bit too big so I can wear a belt or even eat more food, whichever one. I just want to say really quick, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun recreating these pants. Definitely follow that girl on Instagram. She makes really cool things, and like I said, she really inspired me to make my own jeans. And so also a quick thank you to all my friends and family for all the support, and all my 557 YouTube subscribers. I can't believe we've gone that far. Like, holy crap, we're almost at 600, guys. Like, that's a huge step. And I've edited 51 videos, which is a big step for me, and I can't wait to make more videos for you guys. For my next video, I'm gonna make that oversized cardigan dress or sweater dress. Stay tuned to find out later. Hopefully I'll be done next week, and I feel like this is a really long exit. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. I forgot to breathe for a second. This is like a delicate moment. Should I be doing this at 10 p.m? Okay, I mean, sort of from the bottom now we're here.
Huh? No.
She wasn't ready. I hope, I don't know what I'm saying. And so I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching.